here to make a loop out of nigga. You know me, I make a coupe out of nigga. Knock this top off real quick. If it's hot outside, niggas still getting knocked off. Niggas peel shit with them banana clips. Could you handle it? I'm the shit now when they can't stand the shit. Fuck it. But I'll vanish shit, be gone for a month, and I'll be right back around canning shit. Putting niggas in the trash can or dumpster. Hey, you know I ain't even hustle. Hey, I ain't want to. Fuck it. Fuck this beat, man.
I take it over cause I'm cool like that. 40 cal with a baseball bat. My flow's just that rap. So you better play it in your damn deck. It ain't no more tape, so the display wet. Play the YouTube track of a video of me. A nigga reppin' for the Southeast DC in the Southeast streets. I'm the late till I'm gone. Southside nigga, now you know this nigga gon' be on. One time, one chance. One time, one chance, until your girl come over, I'ma give her one dance. And one time to ride on this dick that's in my pants. I try to tell her do this dance right, or your girlfriend might take your turn. Southside nigga know the tables never turn unless I'm turning them for the next one. Southside nigga don't never fake, bring his damn gun.
Hey, stop that, motherfucker.